Hi, I'm Andrew Moss, General Manager of Golden Bay Cement. I'm very proud of this company, and in particular the people who make it such a great place to work. Let me introduce you to Golden Bay Cement.
Golden Bay Cement is New Zealand's largest cement manufacturer and supplier, employing around 200 people, mainly at the Portland plant. It supplies New Zealand and the Pacific with a range of cement products. Golden Bay places a huge emphasis on technical expertise, research and development, and the effect it has on New Zealand's environment. And while there are a myriad of different elements and minerals in each batch of Golden Bay Cement, it has one secret ingredient: its people.
Golden Bay's not really about the kiln, the mills, the trucks, the ship. Golden Bay is really about the people. It's about our culture. It's about the way we work together.
I don't know why it's as unique as it is, because it is just the culture that seems to be here, that the guys want to succeed. They don't want to be seen to be the shift or the crew that let everyone else down.
Everybody's really, really friendly here, really open and easygoing, and yeah, it's definitely really easy to get to know people and get people to assist you. They're very willing to help.
Everyone who leaves here sort of says that they'll always remember the people, and they're just very supportive and just a great bunch of people to work with.
I love it, absolutely love it. Coming here, definitely the best client I've ever worked for.
There's a lot of passion and pride in the business, which is fantastic, and I guess over the next few years our aim is to make sure we maintain that pride, as well as getting ourselves to grow as a small independent global cement manufacturer.
Cement has been around since the Roman times, but is still the essential base material for today's construction. It is fundamental to the creation of concrete and the construction of homes, inner city high-rises, roads and motorways and other infrastructures. The message is clear. For strength, durability and low maintenance, concrete is still the construction material for today and tomorrow. Today's Golden Bay Cement had its origins in Northland in the 1870s. The company's manufacturing operations have been concentrated at Portland, 8 kilometres south of Whangarei. From Portland, bulk cement is distributed to Golden Bay Cement's 8 customer service centres around New Zealand, and then trucked to customers. Golden Bay Cement is a natural resource-based, energy-intensive industry operation. This creates a potential for environmental issues. The company places a huge emphasis on its place in the environment by making a commitment to minimising the effect of its business on its surroundings. They've reduced waste and now better utilise their resources. They've improved energy efficiency and also the visual appearance of all sites.
The receiving environment has adapted very well. We've got mangroves growing in places where there was nothing before. We've had an extensive landscape management plan implemented. We've planted literally tens or hundreds, up into the hundreds of thousands of trees, and predominantly natives. It was very difficult to get things growing on what was an industrial wasteland.
Certainly the upgrade that we've been through now, we made a commitment to best available technology for air emissions, and that cost us quite a bit more money than we expected, but the outcome of it has been magnificent. We've had people ringing up saying, are we operating? Because in the past we had the odd puff and belch of limestone heading down the harbour, etc. Nobody sees anything now, and that's the first step towards that environmental visibility.
A favourite pastime of most of the employees is fishing or diving in the harbour or along the coast, so they're very aware that of their impacts at work. What we put down the drain or goes out the stack goes into our environment. Part
of our vision of zero harm is to basically have environmental invisibility with our community. So we actively engage with our community on a regular basis, all the stakeholders, whether it be the Regional Council, District Council, our local Portland community, our residents community in Onarahi. We are focused basically on making sure that they don't know that we're here.
It's always good to come to work and go home knowing that you've made an impact or improved the operations in some way.
Golden Bay Cement's success is based on its people. Well selected, trained, resourced, and from all around the world.
I think that the international flavour of a number of our new team members is absolutely essential to the development of our knowledge and our skill base, and I think this is something that will continue into the future as we look to develop that talent pool.
New Zealand's an amazing place to be. That's one of the major things that persuaded us to come when we were up here with my son, my small son, and just thought, fantastic place for him, ready to grow up.
There's lots of opportunity within, chemical engineering, but also getting involved in mechanical, electrical, and production. So you kind of get more of a wide range of experience.
Just in the process engineering department, we got 3-4 nationalities. It makes it interesting at times because you get this cultural thing that you have to overcome, but I think it's really good.
With a recent $11 million upgrade, the Portland plant is now an efficient, modern manufacturing plant, ensuring continuous improvement in quality through research and development. A state-of-the-art laboratory for monitoring the process and quality and consistency of the final product. Golden Bay strives for excellent customer service, leading to long-term supply relationships, a reliable and accountable distribution network. A real passion for quality and sustainability of raw materials. Since 1988, Golden Bay Cement has been 100% owned by Fletcher Challenge Limited, one of the largest New Zealand domiciled international companies. But it also provides staff with great incentives for their own betterment and that of their families.
I haven't come across a company where they are so supportive of the families. The things that Fletcher Industry does, Fletcher Building does with supporting education for spouses and partners.
Personally, I've just finished off a master's degree at university, and that's been funded a few semesters by Fletcher. My children have been away on the Spirit of New Zealand on sailing trips.
My daughter's been very keen on dancing since quite a small girl. She's started when she was 4. When she finished the schooling here, she decided to make dance a potential career option. So she applied for and got acceptance for a performing arts school in England. Fletchers themselves and Golden Bay also were tremendous assistance in this.
Golden Bay is a really nice place to look after their people, and with the controllers training they make sure people get the education they need, and there's a good drive for continuous learning.
For Golden Bay, the future is unlimited. Using this country's renowned natural resources and situated in one of New Zealand's most pleasant subtropical climates, this company is striving to be a great place to work, a strong and evolving industry to work in, and a working environment that creates challenges, achievement, success, and a strong sense of camaraderie.
For me, it's not only it's good company, you can see the potential of the company, the people are fantastic, and then also the place as well is just an amazing place to live.
It rings true that the company is a company that cares about people. It's not just looking after you here, it's looking after you here and also in the future, for the future of your children as well.
It's a good team here. As I said, people are very proud and passionate of our brand Golden Bay, and they'll do whatever they can to support it.
So that's Golden Bay, a great company, great people, focused on delivering results to our customers. We'd love you to experience Golden Bay Cement.